this smells good. Hey guys, today we're doing another unboxing on my channel. Today we're unboxing 5 fragrances that we got from fragrancebuy.canada or .ca. We're not going to do a deep dive review. We're just going to get initial thoughts and that's it. And then if you guys want something to be reviewed first, let me know and I will put that in the top of my list. Otherwise, I'm just going to review them as is. The Kingdom by Lattafa. So this comes in this nice little cardboard box. It's pretty, and then it opens up like that to reveal the beautiful little bottle right there. Ugh, it's taking a lot of strength to take it out. Oh Jesus, I don't have finger strength. Let's look at the bottle. This is the bottle right here. We have a faux metal front with the Kingdom and then the bottle in the back. Let's give it a first sniff, baby. Okay, let's spray, spray, spray. Okay, so this is giving me immediately vanilla. It's also giving me flowery. It's flowery vanilla and smokiness all together. And there's mint somewhere in there. It's very good. It's very smooth. It's a very smooth scent. I can immediately tell this is a sexy scent. This is a mature scent. On first sniff, it's also giving me fresh. There's supposedly no citrus in this, but there's something that's giving a freshness to it. That's giving like a brightness to this. So I don't know where that's coming from, but it's very good. I really like this. It's kind of giving like well put together person who has a very good skincare regimen. Does that make sense? So this is what that's giving me. It's like fanciness in a bottle. I really like this. I wouldn't say it's a super attractive thing to me. I like it, but I don't know yet what it'll be like when it dries down. That's for the full review. That's coming up later. But on first sniff, it's good. I enjoy it. That vanilla and that mint and that floweriness that's somewhere in the background and with the smokiness, it's really enticing. This is that very alluring scent. It's sexy. It's giving sexy, but it's giving like a clean sexy, which is a different kind of sexy. One word, intriguing. Moving on. Bade'e Oud Amethyst. Swear to you, I'm not a Lattafa fanboy. It's just what everybody's reviewing. Or oh, it has the notes. That's adorable. There's a little card in it, like a little fancy card, and when you open it, it has the notes inside. It's like, I thought it was like, it looks like an invitation, which is kind of funny. Like it took me a few seconds to get this out. It's adorable. I like it. It's very, I want to be fancy. I love the color of this box, by the way. Purple is my favorite color. So we have the box. We open the box. Inside the box, this is the same type of box that Honor and Glory came in. Lid is gold, back is gold, everything's gold. Very understated, but also fancy at the same time. So let's do a sniff test, shall we? Spray, spray, spray. I'm being kind of confounded by this. There's a synthetic thing somewhere in there that I'm not a huge fan of. It's kind of giving me plastic or Play-Doh. Yeah, it's giving me like Play-Doh vibes. Underneath that, there's some flowers. Underneath that, there's some sweetness. Rose is what I'm thinking. But candied rose? Like a sweet rose? Yeah, I don't know if you ever had like a rose flavored ice cream or a rose flavored dessert. This is kind of like the vibe that this is giving me. But that smell, there's a smell. There's like a plastic smell that I'm not a huge fan of there. I'm hoping that goes away because right now that's like the leading scent and it's not pleasant. I don't know what it is, but I'm not a fan of it. First sniff, I am not a huge fan of this one. Hopefully once we get a dry down second sniff and wear time test and everything, I'll get a better opinion of this. But right now, this is making me worried. Bade'e Oud Amethyst, a little worried. That synthetic note is a killer. Haramain Amber Oud Rouge. So this opens up like that. There's a silica gel packet that came out. Cool. I did not know this bottle was so small. I thought this bottle was much bigger. In pictures, it looks huge. This is a teeny tiny bottle. So wow. I'm shocked at how small this is. I mean, it's not, whatever. I got it. I got so used to big bottles and big fancy bottles that this is such a small bottle. I didn't expect it to be that small. So lid comes off. Lid is plastic. Is it plastic? Nope. Lid is metal. Lid is metal. Lid is metal. Let's give it a sniff. Ugh, the amethyst smell, it lingers in the air. It's kicking my nasal ass. Okay, Amber Oud Rouge. Let's do a spray, spray, spray. There's an aggressive spray. It's everywhere. Ooh, ooh, that's good.
Ooh, that's good.
That's nice. That's good. I like that. That's nice. What is that? Okay, that has almost no notes. It's there's something something dark about it, like mysterious. It gave me evil vibes immediately. Ooh, I like this. I like this. Yeah, dark evil vibes. Immediately a fan. Warm. Again, I'm getting warmth. I'm getting strong, dominant smells. Oh, that's so good. That smells powerfully unique. I love this. I love this, and I didn't expect to love this. I'm not a huge fan of flowery scents, but this smells good. Oh my god, this smells good. I love this. Okay, woof, woof. I love that. That was a sleeper hit. I didn't expect that. I was like, it's fine. I didn't expect it to be like, holy shit, good. Jesus. Next one. Teriaq Intense, the newest offering from Lattafa. So this came with like a slide out cover. This comes off just like Teriaq. This comes off like that. And you're left with the same exact bottle as Teriaq, only black. Dark like my soul. Teriaq Intense, the black bottle. That is pretty. The snake looks great on that black bottle. So let's give this a snifferoonie. Spray, spray, spray. I'm getting instant plum. Does this have plum? Does this have plum? Yes, it does. Yes, it does have plum liquor. Instant plum. That's delicious. It has a lot of plum in it. It smells very good. Sorry, I don't know what I'm saying. So this has a lot. This has a lot of plum. It smells very good. This reminds me of Camera a little bit, but not exactly the same. It's not the same DNA, but it kind of reminds me of Camera. It's mellow but strong. The plum is very seductive. It's like a very creamy plum. It's a very understated plum, but it's very present. So far, it smells really good. Compared to normal Teriaq, this is kicking its butt. Normal Teriaq to me smells like soap. This smells very good. But so far, it's only giving me one note, which is the plum. So I would have to like see how it develops. Yeah, I'm just getting plum and maybe some vanilla. Yeah, some vanilla in there. That's it. That's all I'm getting. Plum and vanilla. Teriaq Intense. I like it. It smells good. I'm definitely going to reach for this. Just the plum smell is enough to get me interested. Right now it's a little flat, just plum. So we'll see how this develops in terms of what happens in the dry down. But right now we're doing first sniffs. So that's all you get. Moving on. And the last one, the one I'm most curious about. This is the one I thought was going to be the sleeper hit. This is the one I was most excited for. Azzure Aoud. This is the one that a lot of people say they either hate or they love. So I'm excited to either hate or love it. And I love liquid broom. This is anywhere near liquid broom quality. Okay, so just like liquid broom, you have box, blue crystal. Ugh, the box is weirdly hard to open, okay, because it's magnetic. Oh no, the bottle. Did you see that? Did you see that? It escaped. So the bottle fell out. It's right here. So you open it up. You open it up and the bottle's supposed to be in there, but it just tumbled out. So same bottle as liquid broom, but blue. Da-boo-dee-da-boo-da. It's nothing special. It's the same bottle as liquid broom. This looks a little less luxe just because it's like it's almost like primary blue. It's not like a royal blue. It's not like a fancy blue. It's literally like primary color blue, which kind of, I think, makes it a little bit cheaper. The lid is super cheap. Let's smell this. Spray, spray, spray. Ooh, ooh. What is that? Oh no. Lucifer. Ooh. What is that? What is that? What is that? This smells funky. What is that? What is that? What is that? Okay, let me look at the notes because this is freaking me out. Oh my god. Oof, this smells. Oof. I'll be honest with you. 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 I'm saying it a lot of times because I want you to know that I'm being very honest with you. Right now, this is giving me rotten fruit. That original smell is like witch hazel and rotten fruit. That's exactly, oh my god, that's what I'm getting. It's very strong. It's like a really weird smell. Oof, oof. Okay, what is that? I'm guessing that's a saffron, but Azzure Aoud Rouge had saffron. It didn't smell like that. Jesus, it smells so weird. But I can't stop sniffing it. Why can't I stop sniffing? This is definitely not a blind buy. Oof, that smells fucking weird. What is this? What have you done to me? Oh. Verdict. I can't keep. This needs to be fully reviewed to appreciate, because right now my verdict on this is freaking weird. This is just fucking weird. So that's my verdict on this. Weird, weird, weird. This is not a safe blind buy. Do not buy this. This is freaking weird. I'm intrigued, honestly. It's not horrible. It's just strange. And I like strange. So I'm gonna test it out. Oh, it's everywhere. What? It's everywhere. But it's so strange. I like it. No, correct that. I'm intrigued. I don't like it. I'm intrigued. This is such a strange smell. What is that? Okay, so that's it, guys. I just introduced 5 new members to the fragrance family. So we have Teriaq Intense, The Kingdom, Azzure Aoud Rouge, Amethyst, and Azzure Aoud. Azzure Aoud Rouge is kicking butt, followed closely by The Kingdom and Teriaq Intense. The other 2 are trailing way behind. I'm not a huge fan of Amethyst, and Azzure Aoud is the ugly stepchild, which is acting very strange right now. So I'm excited to see what this smells like later, but right now it just gave me, woof, what is that? That's it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Let me know if there's any of these that you would like me to review first. If not, I'll just review them in the order that I'm planning to in the future. I have a lot, as you can see, a lot of new babies to review. Let me know your thoughts. Thank you for watching. Remember to like, comment, subscribe, and always remember to smell your best. See ya!